Not too long ago, everybody was obsessed with the idea of passive income, including myself. The dream of making money while you sleep, retiring early, and becoming financially free sounded perfect. But after years of chasing it, I realized that true passive income is a myth, and it was the wrong thing to aim for to begin with. Today, I'm gonna tell you how I came to this realization, how I'm living life on my own terms while making money, doing what I love, and guess what? Some of that is passive after all. First of all, passive income doesn't exist in reality, only in our heads. Think about the most passive income source there is, which is investing in stock index funds. You basically purchase the funds, set it, forget it, and live off of the dividends and the growth from your portfolio. But you still have to take time to choose the stocks or funds to invest in, research, actually execute those orders, keep an eye on your portfolio's performance. You have to deal with taxes, not to mention the time that it takes worrying and being anxious about your portfolio. So even though this is not a lot of time in the grand scheme of things, you're still actively managing this income stream. It's not purely passive. On the flip side, working for a paycheck scores way lower on that passive income scale. Literally, if you just stop showing up to work, those paychecks will stop coming, period. You have to work for every single dollar that you make. So think about passive income more like a scale from 1 to 10, where any particular business or employment falls within that scale. The higher, the more passive it is, let's say a 9 out of 10 for stocks, and the lower active where you have to work to make that money, like a 1 or 2, like traditional 9 to 5 jobs. Now, the goal is not to get off of this scale, but is to find the right balance for you within that scale. Now, like me, you probably think, no, Sumner, I don't want to be on the scale at all. I want to have crypto and stocks that fully fund my life while I chill at the beach, play video games, hang out with friends and family, and not have to worry about work or money at all, right? But that is a recipe for misery, and here's why. So I'm fortunate to have personal relationships with numerous multimillionaires. These are people that worked in high-level executive positions at Fortune 500 companies, for example, and then retire, or even electricians and plumbers, as well as fellow entrepreneurs who have built massive online businesses and brands, sold those brands for literally millions, if not tens of millions of dollars. And the majority of these people that I speak with lack fulfillment. Basically, what a lot of people do is they realize that money is important, which of course it is. So they sacrifice years of time, their health, their relationships, in pursuing their careers, in building their businesses, in order for them to retire and never have to worry about money again. But when they finally make their millions, they crash into depression. Why? Because humans are wired for work. Work is part of our purpose and our identity. Now, we're not designed for soul-sucking, draining, miserable, monotonous work. We're designed for Ikigai work. Ikigai is an 800-year-old Japanese concept that can change your life. And it basically goes as follows. Look at your work and analyze based on the 4 criteria. And my little spin on it is rate each of these following 4 areas on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 being you hate it, 5 being you love it, or 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest. Okay, so number 1, how much do you enjoy the work that you do? How excited do you get on Monday morning versus Friday night on a scale of 1 to 5? Next, how well are you paid for the work that you do? Again, 5 saying that's incredible, it's the best it can be. 1 is absolutely terrible. Category number 3, how good are you at the work that you do? 5 would be you're the best of the best. 1 is you're pretty terrible at it. And for category number 4, how good is the work that you do for the world? This could be for your community, for your customers, for people that you know or total strangers, but how much does it benefit the world around you on a scale of 1 to 5? And I guarantee if your average rating is 3 or lower, you're the type of person that really craves and desires passive income like me. But the issue isn't work. It's the type of work you're doing. Because you're probably thinking, well, all work sucks. It's all terrible. Some work just sucks less than others. But the good news is that is not true. Now, the point here is to make small and even big changes to align your work more within the Ikigai principle, to where you're making great money from what you do. You literally enjoy what you do. You find fulfillment and purpose because it's good for the world. You're good at it. You like talking to people about it. Imagine the life change. You go from 40 hours a week of something you know deep down that you hate. You do not enjoy it. That's 2,000 1,000 hours per year of the best years of your life that you'll never get back. So instead of trying to avoid this, which honestly is also a waste because you're still wasting that time and not enjoying it just to retire and find that you wanted to work to begin with. But it's more about aligning yourself within this as much as you can. Now, nothing's perfect. For myself and my personal work of creating affordable, extremely valuable courses on udemy.com, I really love what I do. I don't score 5 out of 5 in every category, but it's much higher than it was before. And the point is, I keep testing and reflecting and getting closer and closer and closer to Ikigai, which yes, will take time, but imagine the alternative. And if you're curious to learn how I make over $600 per hour creating simple yet life-changing courses on Udemy, which works even if you never show your face on camera, talking to a mic, and if you're a total beginner with no expertise, then check out the free training that we have linked in the description section of this video, because without exaggeration, this video can literally change your life. I really hope you found this valuable and look forward to sharing more of these life-changing secrets with you inside.